In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your PayPal account to Fiverr. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. First and foremost, make sure you're logged into your seller's account on Fiverr. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're in your seller's account, you'll want to navigate to the My Business tab. You'll find this option at the top of the page. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select Earnings. Now you'll be taken to the Earnings screen, which is essentially the hub for all your financial activities on Fiverr. Here you can keep track of your payments and revenue, and most importantly for today, you can add a new payout method. Look towards the page for the Add Payout Method section and give it a click. At this point, a pop-up will appear prompting you to add a new payment method to Fiverr. This is where you'll be able to link your PayPal account. In the pop-up, you'll see several payment method options available to you, but since we're focusing on PayPal today, that's what you'll select. By choosing PayPal, Fiverr will ask you to verify your account. This is an important security step, ensuring that your payments are going to a secure and verified account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this verification process. You might be asked to log into your PayPal account or confirm via email, so make sure you have access to your PayPal credentials during this step. Once you've completed the verification, you're all set. Your PayPal account is now successfully linked as a payout method on Fiverr. From now on, whenever you have earnings to withdraw, they can be conveniently transferred directly to your PayPal account. This integration not only streamlines your financial activities, but also makes it easier to manage your earnings efficiently. And there you have it. That's how you add a PayPal account to Fiverr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, if you're interested in more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.